If you want to see how I stretch my son natural hair with hair blow dryer for fast hair growth, I guess you watch this tutorial till end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Quingy Natural. Peace and love everyone. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys how I use hair blow dry method to stretch my son natural hair out. This method helps as well, but sometimes I always use braid to stretch them hair out. If you always watch my video, you will see all in my YouTube channel video that I make. I always use braid to stretch the hair, but if I want to extraordinary stretch the hair out, then I will go for blow dryer. Note, I always use this like once in a year or twice in a year. While developing kinky hair, we have to stretch the hair so that the hair can have strand to be growing out more and more, and so that you can be seeing the result of the hair length. So today I'm here to share with you one by one how I stretch his hair with hair blow dryer, as I'm doing so on the screen right now. As you can see, I'm done with one part of his hair. Now I want to move to the second part of his hair. You see the way I'm using oil to oil his hair before I started to be using a blow dry on his hair, because before you start using hot surface on natural hair, make sure you secure it with hair oil butter before you start to be putting any hot surface. And the hair blow dry that I'm using have coat surface, because there is one button that came with the hair blow dryer. If the heat that is using is too much, then you have access to press the cold button to cool your hair down. So I'm not using a lot of heat on his hair because I don't want any heat damage on his hair. So that's why I will first use low heat at the beginning, then I will medium it, then after I will still use the low heat, then I will use the cold press button to cool the degree of the hot surface down from his hair. So I will advise you guys to buy the hair blow dry that have cool button, so that anytime you are working with the equipment with your hair, if the heat is too much on your hair, you can be able to press the cool button at the same time to cool your hair down, so that you will not end up damaging your hair with heat. As I continue with blow drying, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my fans around the globe. I thank you for supporting this channel. I thank you for the love, comment, and like and share that you have been giving this YouTube channel. I thank you for subscribing and be one of our family member. For those of you that have not subscribed yet, I beg you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because it will notify you anytime we posted an interesting video about natural hair. Because a lot of people are asking me about how to do their natural hair. I cannot explain for everyone and individual one by one. The help that I can do is to make a tutorial video about natural hair, so that it can help to grow your natural hair out as well. So stay tuned to this video to see more of our video. I thanks you all for supporting us in this channel. I wish you all peace and love, and I wish you us as you wish us as well. Thanks for supporting. All the organic products that I use to figure this hair out to make it look sleeky, shiny, beautiful, full and thick and long can be found at www.queensheba.com. I've already showed the product at the beginning of this video. A lot of people that have been asking me how to do their natural hair, how to grow their natural hair out. I'm using this opportunity to tell you guys that I cannot answer an individual one by one. The only help I can do to let you understand how to grow your natural hair out, or how to teach you to know how to deal with your natural hair, is to do a tutorial video about natural hair for you guys to come and see, so that you can learn how to train your natural hair out with my own tutorial method. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I beg you to subscribe now, so that you will be seeing a notification button and a notification bell that we have uploaded an interesting video about natural hair. So now that I'm done with blow drying, the next thing I will do now is to braid his protective hairstyle. This protective hairstyle that I'm braiding for him is his favorite protective hairstyle that he loves to do, and I observe that anytime I braid this style on his hair, if you want to unravel it, you will have a lot of hair growth. It means his hair loves protective style very well. If you are on natural hair journey, or you just want to start your natural hair journey and you want your hair to grow long quickly like my son hair do, you have to be consistent on protective hairstyle. A lot of people don't know that protective hairstyle do help to attain more growth than to be leaving your hair. If you leave your hair, if you keep your hair like that, the one that will be falling out will reduce your hair achieve or your hair growth. But if you always protect your hair with protective style, your hair will be secure, and it's only the roots that will be growing out. You will know that anytime you want to do your wash day routine is the only time you have to lose hair, because anytime you open your hair, if you want to sleep at night, you have to pack it, then one of two hair will drop, will fall apart. If you wake up in the morning, you have to do something about it, and 1 to 2 hair will fall apart. So but if you keep it in protective style, all your hair will be protected, and it is only wash day routine you have to lose your natural hair. So protective style do help to attain and achieve a lot of growth. So thanks for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment in the section box below. If you have any question, please do comment and ask me question. I will respond to you quickly. I wish you all peace and love, and I will see you all in my next video. And also, don't forget, your hair is your crown. Bye bye.